We saw this coming, yes? And we can either leave it aside and go to talk about some FOMC news, or we can just talk about the price itself. The other day, I told you about USDT dominance. When it goes up, Bitcoin goes down. When it goes down, Bitcoin goes up. I did show you that USDT is bound to move again, somewhat higher, before it eventually goes down. This is all in my Telegram, folks. Understanding Crypto on Telegram. Use the link in bio or DM me on Instagram. I'll send you the link. I also showed you here what that move on USDT will do to Bitcoin. That zone that you see right there is where I would expect Bitcoin to go. In this post right here, I showed you that Bitcoin could go into the higher 69K region or the 70K region before a move back down. A day later, I came again here showing you that we are now at the higher 69K region. And we were actually there, and I also told you that it could move into the 70s, then we will eventually move back to the downside. That is the downside that I was talking about. We did exactly as I projected. So when I made that forecast, we were around here, and I was saying that we could go up as high as so and then continue back to the downside. We are actually doing that right now. So the question is here, where are we headed? Well, from this initial post, my projection goes down as low as 63 to 59K. To be exact, which is where I have this bid here thing, it's somewhere around 59.8K. May God have mercy on our alts for this. It's not to say that we must go down to that figure. I'm not saying we must go down here. All I am saying is the charts give me reasons to believe that we may very well be headed for this region. And according to the charts, this might very well mark the bottom of the entire drop to the downside before another move up. That move up could actually be the final breakout move. I hope we all understand the English, because sometimes some people will come to say, oh, you said it was going here. No, the charts are giving us reasons to believe that it's headed here. I don't have other reasons to believe it's going to 0 or it's going to 100K. According to this chart, it's showing me that it's headed here. Hope we are all in understanding. So, if it does come down here, then I will now go to bet on some of my favorite altcoins. Arbitrum is one that I have eyes on. If Bitcoin reaches this level, exactly at the same times that Arbitrum is at somewhere around 76 to 73 cents, then I will be buying that thing. Now, as I also showed you here on Telegram, this Bitcoin drop is not like it will never go back up, or this is a crash that can't be recovered or anything like that. We are still here. The here is where we normally would consolidate before we have the most explosive rally in the past bull market, and I have reasons to believe that we are in that same type of pocket right now. So your altcoins are basically dropping out of uncertainty. Traders and investors are basically uncertain of what will come from these markets. So no one is buying. People are just dumping and dumping and dumping. Yeah, and they dump their riskier investments first, aka altcoins. Unfortunately, that's just the reality of these markets. So just sit tight, hold on. Don't be scared. It's just the nature of the markets. That's how markets basically work. If we can actually break out and move up before the final retracement that I think can happen, then oh hallelujah. But yeah, I think we still have a bit of blood that is to come. Now, these drops mostly occur on Tuesdays and on Thursdays, so I was really expecting this thing today. Yesterday I told you that it's Monday, and that initial rally up is usually the fake moves that would happen on Monday. So yeah, that's about it. All right, take care, stay safe.